Hello everyone, this is Sheikh Mastan Wali, Mechanical Department, Janssens Institute of Technology. The earth we are living in is not a pure one, it is polluted. The land we are living in is polluted. The air we are taking in is also polluted. The water we are consuming is also polluted. Each and everything is polluted. There might be some natural reasons for this pollution, but the major pollution is caused by we humans. Among all these pollutions, the air pollution is the most dangerous one because we can't live without breathing or taking the air in. So let us see about air pollution, its causes, the reasons, and how can we reduce air pollution. What is air pollution? A physical, biological, or chemical alteration to the air in the atmosphere can be termed as pollution. It occurs when a harmful gases, dust, smoke enters into the atmosphere and makes it difficult for plants, animals and humans to survive as the air becomes dirty. Types of air pollution. Air pollution can be classified into two sections. The number 1, visible air pollution. As the name suggests, can be visible. The smog you see over a city is an example of visible pollution. And the second one, invisible air pollution. It is less noticeable, but they can be more deadly. Good examples of invisible air pollutions are sulfur dioxide pollution, carbon monoxide, and nitrogen dioxide. Having these type of gases in the air comes under invisible air pollution. Now let us have a look on what causes air pollution. The burning of fossil fuels. Many industries do not dispose the fossil fuels. They burn them. Due to that, many harmful gases enter into the atmosphere. Agriculture activities. Farmers also set the field and old crops on fire in order to keep them clean for the next round of sowing. The burning to clean fields is said to cause pollution by releasing harmful gases in the air. Waste in landfills. Landfills are land areas in which waste is disposed or buried. The disposed buried waste generate methane. Exhaust from factories and industries. Manufacturing industries releases a large amount of carbon dioxide, hydrocarbons, organic compounds and chemicals into the air, thereby depleting the quality of air. And the another one, mining operations. Mining is a process wherein minerals below the earth are extracted using large equipment. During the process, dust and chemicals are released in the air, causing massive air pollution. These are not the only causes of air pollution, but these are only very few. There is no such a thing that we can clean air completely or take such a measures that further no air is polluted. But we can do few things from that air pollution is decreased. They are using the public mode of transportation, like using buses or trains, so that we can decrease the usage of number of vehicles so that pollution will be decreased. Having better household practices, keeping our surroundings clean or not using the explosives in the house as much as possible, and avoiding chemicals which causes more air pollution. And the another one, using energy efficient devices. By using energy as less as possible, we can control air pollution because many equipments and industries are running throughout the year and throughout the decades to produce electricity. So using energy efficient devices, we can control the usage of electricity and we can control the air pollution also. And we have to conserve energy. Thank you guys. Thank you.